I'm taking a trip to the salvage yard today and thought y'all might want to go. Just wanted to show you what I've got on the trailer. It's some old seat frames from my bus, and that's an old metal cabinet, an old washing machine right there. There's another old washing machine. It's an old stove, an old dryer, a bunch of old batteries from the bus, an old hot water heater. Alright, let's get down the road. Alright, well, it's about 30 minutes later and we're here, and we're going to pull onto the scale. You can see that stop sign over there, kind of to the right. We pull onto the scale and we get weighed first to see what we weigh when we start. You can see over there on the left is a yellow box, and we get a number out of there. I'm going to stop and do that. Alright, then they notify us they got our weight, and we pull off. We got to go around here first and drop the batteries off. Alright, so this is where we're going now. Got the batteries dropped off. We're going to go down here, and this thing is going to drag all the metal off the back. Alright, here we go. Wait, look at the size of that claw. Now you can see he's dumping it in that trailer over there. That stuff we just dropped off. He'll pack it down in that trailer. $4.25.
There you go.
Visit safercar.gov/the-right-seat. A message from the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration.
All right, now we're off to the office to get paid. Now we got to pull back on the scale, and they'll weigh us to see how much weight we've lost, and that's what we'll get paid for. And then we hold our number out the window so they can see it from the office. Then I'll go in and get paid. I'm gonna go up here and park, and then I'll be back. All right, so there's the payoff. We got $330. Yeah, we had 3,620 pounds of scrap iron and 189.9 pounds of batteries. For the batteries to get 18 cents a pound, and the steel is 110 a ton. So altogether, we got $330.98. Well, I hope this was a fun trip for you. Thank you for watching.